Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to download and backup all Gmail emails. So first thing is open the mail on your phone device. Once you're at the inbox page, you need to tap on your profile icon on the top right, tap on it. Once you're at this page, you tap on manage your Google account. It will open the setting or the Google account details of your Gmail account. Now, once you're at this page, what you need to do is you need to tap on data and privacy. Tap that. In the data and privacy, you scroll down and there you will find a option of download your data. Inside data from apps and services you use. You tap that option of download your data. This will open the page in Google Chrome or any other browser that you have been using. Your account, your data, you can export a content of your data to the phone or devices of yours. Now all you need to do is you need to scroll down and tick mark each and everything over here to have your account downloaded fully. You tick mark all the checkbox which will download all the data of your Google account right here. Once all that is done, you tap on next step. In the next step, you need to choose a file type, frequency and the destination. So there's the transfer to. Now you can send the download via email or you can add it to your Drive, Dropbox or OneDrive. Likewise, you can frequently do this downloading process. You can export once or you can export every 2 months for 1 year. You choose the option that is appropriate for you. Then you choose the file type. You want to download the file in zip file or the TGS file. Then you need to choose the size of file. There are file GB available. The export larger than the size will be split in multiple files. You choose the size, then tap on create export. Now what you need to do is, there are 43 products. Your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a longer period of time. You will receive your email when the export is done. So with that, the export is created. You can see the process in the straight line below. Once the process is completed, you will be able to view it on your email. So this is the way how you can download and backup all emails from Gmail. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.